I, Okello James, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by the law established, so help me God. I, Okello James, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear truth, allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of Uganda, so help me God.